Good morning, Badger Nation. Except, is it still morning?
It is.
It's like really close. Yeah, it's 11:21. Look at us go.
Still
Anyway,
morning, Sunny. It's still morning.
So we're got to be in. Where am I going? Arkansas. Whew, whew, it's been a morning. Got to be in Arkansas this afternoon. There's really no hurry. We were going to go to Springfield and I have a little story to tell you about the Harley dealership and all. I'll tell you that later. But anyway, so we're just hanging out at Kim and Linda's and we're packing. And then Mama decides that, well, I'm gonna wipe my bike off. So, as most of you know, she's pretty much guaranteeing us to get rained on this weekend because she's wiping her bike down. So, there she is, cleaning it all up, guaranteeing us a good rain shower this weekend.
Nope.
Yep.
Cleaning it so it doesn't.
Getting our bags packed. We'll be headed to Switchback. Here in a little while, I think we're going to eat lunch with Kim. Linda, my sis, already had to go, so I've already said goodbye to her. We'll go eat with Kim and say goodbye to him, and then off to the Switchback. Are you ready?
I'm ready for this female ride day.
She's ready for this female ride day. Wish us luck. All right, we're off. We had lunch at the Cubs Cafe with Kim. Now we are 36 miles away from the Switchback. And right now it's not raining. Fingers crossed. Right there. Sun popped up. We found the Hurley road. Don't get any better than this. Got it off to Arkansas. Nothing ruins a good ride more than road construction. So we have this beautiful new asphalt, and they're still working on it. So we're literally just sitting on the road, waiting our turn to actually get to continue on our ride. Oh, what fun! Okie dokie, we're here. The bikes have arrived. We are at Switchback. Mike Bodine in the house. We're ready for the women's ride. We got our meet up tonight, 5 to 7 p.m. Come out, hang out with us. Although you're going to see this tomorrow, so you can't come out and hang out with us. Anyway, they're getting everything set up. Got Andy out there putting out flags and stuff. And getting all prepped for like the pre-party. Tonight's the pre-party. Tomorrow, 10 a.m., kickstands up. We're out of here and we're headed to Fort Smith. We're going to spend a couple days in Fort Smith, so tomorrow night and Sunday night. Monday morning we'll get up and we will head back toward Florida. Anyway, I will show you guys more of the party once it starts happening. All right, got a few people hanging out. Even got cars and Jeeps and the whole 9 yards here. So tonight is just kind of the preliminary hangout, have a couple beers, eat some food, and get prepared for tomorrow's ride. Kickstands up at 10. There's Beaver Badger in the house. What's up, birthday girl? Happy birthday. Hi guys, in the comments, wish Beaver Badger a happy birthday. Look what we got going on over here. You never know what you'll see around here.
Hello, everybody.
She's doing her thing. Witchcraft Cycle's in the house. We've got Mike from Riding in the Ozarks here. And the reason I'm down in the parking lot is because they've got the band rocking and rolling in there. Let's go check it out. These ladies are from Kansas City, I believe, or the head lady anyway. And they're pretty good. You've seen them before on here. The crew's all hanging out, having a good time. What do you think they're deep in conversation about? Everybody's just hanging out, having a good time. Hoping the rain holds off tomorrow. They're bouncing it out. Bounce one out. Bounce it out, ladies. Come on. Bounce one out.
Left, right, and then bounce it.
Bounce it out, ladies.
Now facing the logo.
Okay. Come on, oh! Okay. Come on, ladies. Okay.
Oh, she has a
Shuffle. Hold on. All right, so it's like a. You're gonna shuffle forward, back, and then.
Now's your chance to shine.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Why do we have to turn the music?
Yeah.
So she can instruct them.
You can get the hear the
All right, ready? So jump forward, left, right,
Bounce it out.
and then forward. Together. Forward.
Yeah, you did
Together.
good.
All right.
Got it. Got it. Yay.
If you have a question, just twerk.
I'm just
Just keep twerking and twist it.
Bounce it out.
It's Tammy's birthday.
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Tammy Burley. Happy birthday to you. And many more ungentle boys. Happy birthday, dear Tammy. Happy birthday to you.
All right, that's a wrap. We're back from Eureka Springs. Had a good time hanging out with the crew. As you saw, we sang happy birthday to Tammy, Beaver Badger. Happy birthday, Tammy. Anyway, that's it. That's a wrap. Time for some coffee. Time to wrap up this video, and then we'll see you in the morning for the women's ride. Here we go.